Comparison graphs provide valuable insight to the performance of your team and business. In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to create comparison graphs. 1. Drag and drop method. 2. Create a comparison graph. Drag and drop is super easy. First, make sure you're in Graphs view. Open 2 or more graphs. You'll notice when you hover your mouse over the heading, the cursor changes from a pointer to a hand. When it's a hand, you can grab the graph by holding down the left mouse button and drag it over to another graph. Notice the blue box appears on the graph. You need to drag it into the center, and when the box turns green, you can let go of your mouse button and the graphs will combine. By default, a new y-axis is created. This means that the graph you dragged will appear on the right axis, and the original graph will be on the left. If you want to compare them on the same axis, go to the Edit menu and choose Hide Second Axis. To cancel the comparison graph, either close the graph or choose Edit and Cancel Overlay. The drag and drop is a temporary comparison graph you can use on the fly. If you want to create a permanent comparison graph, you need to create a new graph. In Graph View, click on the New Graph button. Note only those with Manage Graph Permissions can see this button. See more about permissions in the links below. Give the graph a name. Under Graph Type, choose Comparison. Now scroll to the Comparison setting and add the graphs you wish to compare. You can compare as many graphs as you like. You can change the color and display name by clicking on the pencil icon and editing those accordingly. When done, click on the check mark to save. You can also offset graphs. For information on using offset, see links in the description below. If you want to use a different y-axis for the graphs, you can do so by checking this box and choosing the graphs. In this example, we'll keep it simple and leave that unchecked. Now we click Save, and voila! Our new comparison graph. This will automatically update when new data is entered into the individual graphs. Go ahead and create your own today, and reach out to our support team if you need help. Remember, you can always search our comprehensive help docs for more information. Links in the description below.